Greetings and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we have Moto G05 smartphone, and in this video I'll show you some amazing tips and tricks and hidden features of this smartphone. So if you're planning to purchase this phone or you have already bought this, then this video can be really helpful for you. So watch till the end and enjoy this video. If you will try to take a screenshot by swiping down your three fingers, then you won't be able to do that, but there is a gesture. So you can click a screenshot with the help of three fingers by just tapping and holding your three fingers like this. So you have to tap with three fingers like this, then you will be able to take a screenshot. If you will long press the power button, then it will launch the voice assistant instead of opening your power menu. But if you want to set it to power menu, then open your settings, scroll down and then select gestures. Again scroll down, there you will see the option of press and hold power button. Click on this. By default it has selected digital assistant, you have to select power menu. Now if you will long press your power button, then it will launch your power menu. But if you want to keep this as digital assistant, now if you want to launch your power menu, then you can press the volume up button and power button at the same time, then it will launch your power menu. If you are giving this phone to some elderly people, then you must use the next feature, so you can increase the size of text, all these icons and much more. Simply open your settings, scroll down and then select display. There you will see the option of display size and text. Select this one, and here you can increase or decrease the size of the text. You can also increase the size of these icons. You can also enable bold text and also enable this high contrast text. So if you are giving this phone to some elderly people, then you must use this display size and text feature to increase the size of text and app icons. While using your smartphone, if you want to quickly launch your camera, then simply double press your power button, then it will launch your camera application. Right now, even when your phone is locked, anyone can read your messages or any notification from your locked screen. But if you want to disable this, then open your settings, scroll down and then select home and lock screen. Select lock screen. And there you will see the option of privacy. Select this one. By default it has selected show all notification content. You have to select don't show notification at all. Now it won't show any messages or any notification on your locked screen. If you are not a big fan of this app tray and you want all your apps on your home screen, then simply tap and hold on the home screen and then select home settings. There you will see the option of home screen style. Select this one and then select open. Select switch. Now it will take few seconds. After that it will bring all your application on your home screen and disable this app tray. If you use your phone at night a lot, then you can use the next two features to protect your eyes. Simply open your settings, scroll down and then select display. The first one is dark theme. If you will enable this, then it will turn all the whites into blacks. So this will decrease the pressure on your eyes. And the second feature is night light. If you enable this, then it will warm the color of your screen. As you can see, this will also decrease the pressure on your eyes. So you can use these two features if you use your phone at night a lot. You can turn on or off your flashlight by shaking your phone like this. But if you want to disable this, then open your settings, scroll down and then select gestures. Again scroll down, there you will see the option of fast torch. Click on this and then disable this. Now if you will shake your phone like this, then it will not turn on or off your flashlight. By default this phone doesn't show your battery percentage in your status bar, but if you want to show this, then open your settings, scroll down and then select battery. There you will see the option of battery percentage. Simply enable this, then it will start showing your battery percentage in your status bar. If you want to disable this 3-button navigation and enable gesture navigation, then open your settings, select gestures. On the top you will see the option of navigation mode. Click on this and then select gesture navigation. Now you can go back like this, open your recent application like this and jump to your home screen like this. If you want to change the UI color of the smartphone, then open your settings, select display. There you will see the option of color palette. Select this one. Here you have different options. Select your favorite color or you can select color palettes. After this, click on this right icon, then it will change the UI color of the smartphone. Now you can read deleted messages from WhatsApp, Instagram, etc. and you don't have to download any third-party app for that. Simply open your settings, scroll down and then select notifications. There you will see the option of notification history. Select this one and then enable this use notification history. Now if someone will message you, then it will save all those notifications here and you will be able to read them even after they will delete it. You can also increase the brightness beyond the maximum level brightness of the smartphone and also decrease the brightness beyond the minimum brightness level. Let me show you how you can do this. Simply open your settings, scroll down and then select display. Now if you want to increase the brightness to the maximum level or beyond that, then enable this extra brightness. Now you will be able to increase the maximum brightness, but keep in mind this will use your battery a little bit extra as well. Now if you want to decrease the brightness beyond the minimum level, then open your settings and then select accessibility. There you will see the option of extra dim. Simply enable this. Now it will dim your screen beyond your phone's minimum brightness. If you like to multitask in your smartphone, then you must use the next feature. Open your settings, scroll down and then select gestures. There you will see the option of sidebar. Click on this and then enable this. You will see a transparent bar on the right side of your screen. You can open it by swiping to the left like this. Now if you want to edit this, then select this setting icon. You can add a necessary application or most usable application here and remove unnecessary application from here. After this, come back. Now while using your smartphone, if you want to quickly open any of your favorite application, then simply open the smart sidebar and then open that application. Then it will open that app for you. So you can use this smart sidebar application to multitask in your smartphone and quickly open any of your favorite application from this sidebar. You can use two applications at the same time in a single screen. Let me show you how you can do this. Simply open the first application, put it in recent and then open your next application. Now click on this apps icon and then select split screen and then select the second application. As you can see, you will be able to use two applications at the same time in a single screen. Now you can control your media with volume button when your phone is locked, so you can play the next song or previous song with the help of these volume button. To enable this feature, open your settings, select gestures and then select media control. Enable this. Now whenever your phone is locked, you can simply long press your volume up button to play the next song and volume down button to play the previous song. In same gesture setting, you can also enable double tap to wake your screen up feature. There you will see the option of jump to lock screen. Select this one and then enable this. Select this one, double tap to the lock screen and then select continue setup. Now whenever your phone is locked, you can simply double tap, then it will wake your screen up. And whenever you are on home screen, you can double tap to lock your smartphone as well. When you are on home screen and if you will swipe to the right, then it will open this Google feed. But if you want to disable this, then tap and hold on the home screen and then select home settings. There you will see the option of swipe access. Select this one and then select nothing. Now whenever you are on home screen, if you will swipe to the right, then it will not open this Google feed. So these were some amazing tips and tricks and hidden feature for Moto G05 smartphone. If you like this video, then please hit the like button and let us know in the comment section which feature you like the most. We will see you in the next one. Till then, have fun and keep on exploring your smartphone.